Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt like you didn't sleep at all? Or noticed that by midday, your body feels heavy and your mind slow, even though you didn't do anything hard? If you're an older man, you're not alone. Feeling constantly tired isn't just part of getting older. There are real fixable reasons why so many men over 60 feel drained and worn out. This video is for every man who has asked, is this just age or is there something I can do? Today, we are going to uncover 6 common mistakes that quietly steal your energy, and most importantly, how to fix them. These aren't vague tips or medical jargon. They are practical real-life solutions that older men can start using today to feel stronger, sharper, and more alive. Stay with me until the end, because you'll learn simple but powerful actions that can restore your energy, lift your mood, and make your days feel brighter. If you're ready to stop blaming age and start taking back your vitality, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Number 1, poor sleep and bad nighttime habits. One of the most common reasons older men feel tired isn't the number of hours you spend in bed. It's the quality of your sleep. Over time, it's easy to fall into habits that prevent your body from truly resting. Late nights, tossing and turning, waking up multiple times. These all leave you groggy, even if your clock says you slept enough. Many men blame age or aches, but often the real reason is small habits that interrupt your deep sleep. For example, falling asleep while watching TV, scrolling on a phone, or reading under bright lights confuses your brain. These blue lights tell your mind it's still daytime, keeping you from fully resting. Napping too late or staying in bed long after waking can also disturb your natural rhythm. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea are another hidden culprit. Even if you feel like you slept, your body may not have fully recovered. Let me tell you about George, 78. He had the habit of falling asleep with the news on. By morning, he was tired and irritable. Once he started shutting off screens an hour before bed, dimming lights, and reading a book, his mornings changed. He woke up refreshed and ready to go. The fix: make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Keep screens out of the bedroom. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Let natural light in the morning to reset your body clock. Older men who make sleep a priority often find their energy returning quickly. Sleep isn't about age, it's about habits. Number 2, skipping meals or eating poorly. Another energy thief is not eating right. Skipping meals, relying on snacks, or eating processed foods leaves your body underfueled. Many men over 60 fall into the habit of eating less or grabbing whatever is quick, thinking it's enough. Skipping breakfast or lunch or relying on coffee and sugar for energy makes your blood sugar crash. You may feel tired, irritable, and slow in the afternoon. Processed snacks give a short boost, but leave you feeling worse soon after. Hydration is also key. Many older men confuse thirst for hunger or simply forget to drink water. Even mild dehydration can make you feel weak and foggy. Frank, 80, stopped eating breakfast after his wife passed away. He felt drained all morning. When his doctor suggested real meals with protein, fruit, and whole grains, his mornings improved. The fix: eat small, balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Drink water regularly. Aim for clear urine as a guide. Avoid relying on caffeine or sugar to push through the day. Fueling your body properly helps your energy return naturally, without expensive supplements or diets. Number 3, not moving enough. Sitting too much is another major reason older men feel tired. Retirement or slower routines can make you spend hours in a chair watching TV or reading. While it feels restful, long periods of inactivity actually sap energy, weaken muscles, and slow your metabolism. Movement delivers oxygen to every cell, strengthens the heart and lungs, and keeps your brain alert. Without it, joints stiffen, circulation slows, and small tasks feel exhausting. Henry, 83, had been active all his life, but after a winter indoors, he barely moved. Walking up the stairs left him winded. Short walks and stretching each day gradually restored his energy and strength. The fix: start small, stretch in the morning, walk after meals. Stand every 30 minutes, even briefly. Light resistance exercises or hand weights help maintain muscle. Activities like gardening, dancing, or playing with grandchildren all count. Even gentle movement brings lasting energy and stronger, healthier days. Number 4, carrying stress alone. Many older men silently carry stress about health, family, finances, or life changes. Even if your schedule is relaxed, worries can quietly drain energy. Chronic stress floods your body with hormones that make you feel restless, anxious, and exhausted. Men are often taught to solve problems alone, but keeping everything inside only increases fatigue. Talking to someone, even briefly, can relieve the pressure. Edward, 76, was always the strong one in his family. After his wife's health declined, he spent nights worrying. Once he began sharing with a friend and joining a men's group, he felt lighter and slept better. The fix: share your worries with a trusted friend, support group, or counselor. Journaling, quiet reflection, prayer, or walking in nature can help release stress. Daily small rituals can protect your energy and mental clarity. Opening up isn't weakness, it's strength. Energy returns when you let go of hidden burdens. Number 5, ignoring health changes. Persistent fatigue can be your body signaling something is wrong. Many older men dismiss small symptoms, assuming they are just getting old. But thyroid issues, vitamin deficiencies, mild anemia, or sleep apnea may slowly drain energy. Skipping checkups delays simple fixes. Often a small blood test or doctor's visit can uncover something easy to treat, restoring energy fast. Bill, 74, suddenly felt tired and stopped evening activities. A doctor visit revealed low vitamin D and mild sleep apnea. With treatment, he felt like himself again within weeks. The fix: listen to your body. Don't ignore new tiredness. Keep regular checkups and talk openly with your doctor. Review medications for side effects and stay current with screenings. Acting early keeps your energy up and your health strong. Number 6, losing joy, purpose, and connection. Finally, energy fades when life loses excitement and connection. Retirement, loss, or routine can make days feel empty. Isolation and lack of purpose quietly drain motivation, mood, and energy. Staying connected through hobbies, volunteering, or friends feeds the mind and lifts the spirit. Even small joys matter. Walter, 81, loved coaching but stopped after retirement. He became tired and disengaged. Helping his grandson coach locally reignited his passion and energy. The fix: find activities that bring joy and purpose. Stay socially connected with friends, family, or groups. Small actions, gardening, writing, volunteering, rebuild energy and spirit. Purpose and connection fuel more energy than any supplement or coffee ever could. In conclusion, let's take a moment. Which of these 6 energy-draining habits sounded most familiar? Which small change could you start this week? Feeling tired isn't just a part of aging. You deserve days full of energy, purpose, and joy. By prioritizing sleep, eating well, moving your body, sharing your stress, staying on top of your health, and finding purpose, you can regain your vitality. Even small, consistent steps make a big difference over time. You've spent a lifetime caring for others. Now it's time to care for yourself with the same dedication. If you found these insights helpful, comment below with the number that spoke to you most, and share one thing you plan to do this week. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep getting content that informs and inspires you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.